Was that Wine? What you doing, Wine? Is the Wine a good boy? Huh? You gonna try to get some? Hey, baby. Yeah. You're a good boy. You want that Wine? Yeah. Here. Here, I'll get you some. Here you go. That's what you want, huh? Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. He's a baby. Come here. You talking to the Wine? All right. Is that your Wine? Where'd it go? Can't get it? You can't get it? You gonna try to knock the glass over? Oh boy. You're getting serious. Yeah. You gonna get it? Can you get in there? Yeah. I don't know if you can. Oh, you did. Look at you. You're getting serious. Talking to the Wine, Mama.
He's talking to it?
Uh-huh. He's getting mad at me for touching the glass. But he's gonna knock it over. Are you gonna get it, Jerry? He wants to. Okay, let me help you.